Hello, everybody. Welcome to the disaster that is this room. Well, it's getting better. It is getting better. So I just wanted to come on and give you guys a little update and show you guys where I'm at. I'm standing at my door to come into my craft room from my house. So I want to show you a few things that have happened. Hey, Debbie. I'm waiting for a few of you guys to jump on here. I'm hopefully going to get all of the videos over to YouTube at some point in the next couple days. So we really just have been doing this, working in here, and I haven't done a whole lot of other things. So a few things. Let's go through a few things. So let me come over here and give you guys a view, kind of looking down. So we painted the doors black. So that's been, it looks really good. Hopefully it won't get you guys dizzy. We painted the inside of these doors black. And then we got one set of the walls done, with the exception of that little tiny strip right by the door and the little tiny strip right there by the door. So the reason that those two little strips aren't done yet is because I really needed to get moving stuff back in here. So we didn't do that, and we're going to do that today. So we got this wall done, and it looks so much better. We got the ceiling painted, so it looks beautiful. It took 2 gallons of paint to do the ceiling, which is crazy because this isn't a very big ceiling, but it didn't have any paint on it at all, and they were 2 gallons of primer and paint. So that was crazy. So that took us a lot longer than we thought. And then we painted the doors black. I actually painted the doors black. And then this wall will get done today. So my husband's going to finish up this wall. And then my desk is going to go here, and we have to put all of it together. So I've got to paint the top of it, and then all of this stuff will get moved, and we'll get the desk put together. So originally I thought all of this stuff was going to be able to fit under my desk, but it's not. So that's kind of a bummer. My desk will go all the way to the bookshelf. So it'll go from that wall all the way to this bookshelf. I touched up my teal wall, and you can see where I touched everything up because we think we got the wrong finish. Like, I think that originally we got like a gloss finish, and I think that we got a flat finish this time. So I think what my husband's going to do is just take the roller, we have some paint left, and just kind of put another coat on, and he doesn't have to be real careful necessarily. So I think that we'll do that. Hey, Megan. So over here, I need a calyx unit. I need 2 calyx units to go in this corner. So this is kind of a mess right here because all of this stuff has to go on the calyx unit. And that's just, there's nothing that can be done about it because IKEA is not open. Originally, I thought that I was going to be able to use these tabletops. Wendy gave me these tabletops, and they're from IKEA, and I painted them black. And I originally thought that I would be able to use them, but they're too tiny. Like, I need more space than that. So I'm going to have to wait until IKEA opens up to get the longer tabletops. But I'm going to use these tabletops just in here for now because I'll need something to work with. It's not in here centered or anything because we literally, like, I did all this very late last night where I was moving things around and just trying to get things in here to see how things were going to work. But my island will come out a little bit more, and then it'll be a little bit longer and a little bit wider. These are the cube units. So these are the Closet Mate cubes that I put together. My shelf that Esau made me, that's my original one. He's not going to have to make me a new one. So that one fits there fine. So that works out fine. And then these are where my stamp sets are, and that works out fairly well. Like I said, he's got to fix this one little strip by the door, and we still have to add all the trim. So I put my stamp sets up, and I put my stuff back on my shelf, and I think it's going to be okay. You can see down here. So the cubes come all the way to here. And then I'll get another Billy bookcase that'll go right here. It'll fit perfect right there. So I'll probably have a little trash can right there. And then it comes almost all the way to the end of the unit. So I'll do something there. So I really like it. I like the pop of black over there. And then I'll have something hung up on the wall. I'll have curtains that will go up that I have to get. And then we painted the beam. And so that looks good. There's a few little touch-ups that need to happen on this wall. It's because the stairs are right there, and so it's really hard to get up into that. Like, I can't do it. I'm not tall enough or graceful enough to get up in that corner, so he'll have to do that. So over here is where my desk will be. Like I said, it'll go all the way from the wall to the bookshelf. That's 80 feet. And my computer will be there. This bookshelf will be here. It'll probably be out a little bit more, but it'll be right up against my desk. And then all of these things are part of the pieces that will be under my desk to hold my desk up. Here is the bookshelf that has all my shipping stuff. And obviously I haven't figured out exactly where everything is going to be. I feel like all of this stuff isn't going to fit back in here, and it's a little bit concerning to me, actually, to be honest. This is probably where my big shot stuff will be. I don't really love that my rolling carts are against the wall. I like those on the opposite wall because of the color, but I just don't think I have anywhere else to put them. So that is that situation. And then, like I said, I need the calyx unit in the corner. So I'm hoping that IKEA is going to open up soon, because there's going to be a lot of stuff stacked in that corner. I mean, that is where all of my 12 by 12 designer paper and cardstock are going to be. And you can see it's just setting up there right now. So currently today, what we're working on is he's going to finish this wall here and get the panels up on this, and then we'll get my desk situated. So I'm hoping by tonight my desk will be up. I don't know, we've got to paint it, so I don't even know if it's going to be dry enough to put up. That might have to go up tomorrow, but the wall will definitely be done. And then I'm going to come in here right now while he's running some errands and keep putting stuff away and kind of just getting stuff put where it needs to go. So I thought I would give you guys an update. I'm really disappointed that the island isn't going to work, that the tabletops that Wendy gave me aren't going to work. I just feel like it's too small, and the space that I lost, and I need to be able to put stuff down here. So I need this piece right here. This is a toy. It was actually Andrew's toy box, and he didn't use it, and I took it and painted it. And I need that to go underneath, in between, because these are counter height. So we need something to put our feet on underneath. And this is all retired product. All of this. This is full. This box, and this box are all retired product. And so I usually keep my retired product in there. But I want it to be able to go in the middle so that people can put their feet on it. Yeah, so that's where we're at. Like I said, I'm excited. I really wish IKEA was open so I could just get the rest of the pieces that I need. It would be really helpful, but we're just going to go with it. A few of the things that I purchased ended up not working. These things right here I had purchased to put stamps on over here, and it's not going to work. They're just not going to work. They're too wide. And so I'm a little disappointed about that, but that's okay. And things will probably change. Like, I'm anticipating that things are probably going to shift and change as I settle in and figure out my working space. And that's okay. The other thing is that with the island shifting down a little bit, I'll still have room right here to put up an air mattress if we need to. Our house is really small, so the only extra space that we have is in here. And so I'm glad that we'll still have room to stick an air mattress if like somebody comes to visit and I need, a place for somebody to stay. I can do that. So it already feels a lot more open. I love the black doors. I love what my husband's done with the walls. We need to clean them off. Like I said, hang my curtains. There's a bunch of like little finishing stuff, but yes, for when Megan comes and visits me. But so like, I feel like it's way more open, and I feel like this is really like so much better. I feel like I'm utilizing the space more. I've gotten rid of so much stuff that I really didn't need. And so, yeah, I'm loving it. I love the placement of the island. I think it's going to be really amazing. I'll be able to tell a little bit better when I have stuff up off the floor. There's still so much stuff. This is all like office-y stuff. This is all... I think that's all. I don't know actually exactly what all that stuff is. All of this is decorative stuff. This is stuff that goes on my desk. These are shelves and stuff that will need to get hung up. So I'll be able to tell a lot better once things are off the ground. And then also I still have a ton of these are empty. And so I will definitely, once all of this is done, I will walk you guys through everything that I did, where everything is, where I put stuff, why I put it there, and it will be a little bit easier. So anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys where I'm at. Hopefully I'll get this over to YouTube, and I'll check in with you guys again, maybe this evening or tomorrow when the desk and stuff goes in. So I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I'll chat with you guys later.